they're pretty much trying to refuse giving me my money back for the remaining days up until Wednesday. They said they don't do that. That's number one. Number two, they tried to tell me that it's going to take up to 5 business days before I get my deposit back.
Okay, so did you use a debit card or a credit card?
Debit.
Okay, so that's your mistake. Absolutely never use a debit card for anything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me explain this to you. So, money is money and money is real, right? And a debit card is like a check. It's money, right? A credit card isn't. And when credit cards were invented, there was this whole fear that people were just going to start like running up all these bills, and Congress was like, no, 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 we're not going to do that, right? So credit cards are regulated differently. You know, when you see those commercials that are like, you're not responsible for any fraudulent charges. It's not because the bank wants to do that. It's because the law says they have to do that. Here's how this works with the debit card. If you swipe your debit card and then you dispute it, your bank can take up to between 30 and 90 days to investigate the transaction. And if they find in your favor, they give you your money back. But it's the other way around with a credit card. When you dispute a transaction with the credit card company has to immediately remove the charge from your account while they investigate. So if 60, 90 days later, they find out that no, actually, you did buy that iPhone and then you sold it at a pawn shop, you're doing a scam, then they just put the thing back on your charge, right? Mm-hmm. But if they're like, no, we called the pawn shop, they sent us a picture, and that's definitely not you in the store, then you don't get the charge back. Same in this circumstance. So never, ever, ever use a debit card for anything. There are no protections on debit cards like there are on credit cards.